Winter can be a challenging time for bonsai lovers, especially when it comes to delicate species like the Japanese maple. Today I'll show you how to prepare and care for your Japanese maple bonsai so it stays healthy through the winter. Do you think bonsai need more or less sunlight in winter? Share your answer below and we'll reveal the answer later. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Japanese maples lose their leaves and enter dormancy in winter. They need less sunlight and water, but still require protection from extreme cold. Did you guess right? Care Tip 1. Preparing your bonsai for dormancy. Clean up fallen leaves to prevent mold or pests. Check for weak branches or signs of disease. Gradually reduce watering as dormancy begins, but don't let the soil dry out. Pro tip: use a thin layer of mulch to stabilize soil temperature and moisture. Care Tip 2. Finding proper winter storage. In mild climates, keep your bonsai outdoors, but in a protected spot like near a wall. In colder areas, move it to a cold frame, unheated garage, or greenhouse. Maintain temperatures between 30 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit to keep the tree dormant but frost-free. Where do you store your bonsai in winter? Drop your ideas in the comments. Care Tip 3. Monitoring your bonsai in winter. Check soil moisture regularly. Too dry and the roots may be damaged. Avoid fertilizing during dormancy. It can stress the tree. Care Tip 4. What to expect as winter ends. As spring approaches, gradually expose your bonsai to more sunlight. Remove mulch and resume regular watering and feeding schedules. Spring is also the perfect time to repot or prune if necessary. Winter care for Japanese maples is simple when you know what to focus on: preparation, protection, and monitoring. Follow these steps, and your bonsai will emerge strong and ready for spring. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with other bonsai lovers. What's your favorite winter bonsai tip? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.